The latest U.S. federal minutes of the January meeting show policymakers had turned more cautious than ever. The Fed kept rates unchanged at that meeting and called for 2 rate cuts this year. Fed officials, in fact, had expressed their readiness to hold interest rates steady amid stubborn inflation and economic policy uncertainty. Late last month, Fed officials said they were worried about an increasingly volatile domestic policy environment. However, data since then shows U.S. inflation is rising again as food and gas costs climb. Economists have also warned that President Trump's tariffs against China on steel imports and potentially against huge trading partners, Canada and Mexico, will only accelerate the red-hot inflation trend. Minutes from the Federal Open Market Committee's January 28-29 meeting showed participants indicated that provided the economy remained near maximum employment, they would want to see further progress on inflation before making additional adjustments, quote unquote. The new minutes underscoring the cautious approach of Fed policymakers amid uncertainty from Trump's tariff rhetoric. When taken with the bad inflation news since that meeting, the argument is clear. Fed interest rate cuts anytime soon are much less likely. The January inflation reading came as a surprise, with policymakers set to wait for inflation to come under control. Markets show only 1 rate cut penciled in for this year. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.